My name is Muigai. I work in Tumaini Innovation Center, and Tumaini is located along Kapsoa Elgeyo Road. Tumaini is a vocational training center. I'm a project instructor and an ICT trainer. My main focus is on training the students on ICT and also training the students on project. So different projects. So we have IoT projects and software projects. I saw a link on social media, that is EldoHub social media platform. They were advertising about IoT program that is from seed. It was a 6 weeks training on IoT, fully IoT, that I managed to join for that training. The training was about from how you can design, how you can define a problem, how you can identify it, and also how you are able now to solve that project to come up with something tangible based on IoT, specifically IoT. Before I enrolled to that seed program, I had developed a product with our students where we had to go to the community, identify a problem in the community, and now we tried to solve that problem that was being faced in the community. When we went to the community, the first thing that the people in the community said that their chicken were being stolen from the chicken hatch. So during the rainy season, because in most cases, when it rains, electricity goes off. So the first thing that we identified there, they wanted a product that will be working even if there is no electricity. So that's when we came around with the solar alert system. So this is the solar alert system that we developed. So the solar alert system, it has the solar panel. The solar panel is our main source of power. So this solar panel, it charges a battery, and it has an infrared sensor here that now detects the motion. And then it has the buzzer here. This buzzer is where now the sounds of the alarm comes from. And then it has the LEDs, as you can see. So these are the LEDs, the light emitting diodes. And also we have the remote for the solar. So we have the full day flash or alarm, and it has the off button, and then the night flash alarm, and then the night flash only. You can maybe wave, like now, you are the motion here. So it has already detected it, so you can just put it off. Like, according to me, if I'm given this platform and I'm advising a girl child, just do what you want, because if I could have done what the community people wanted me to do, I could maybe be a social worker. It's not a bad thing. I could maybe be a sales lady, but I went for something that I'm passionate about, and I will tell this to people. You don't need to be a man for you to be in tech.